All right, today we're going to pull back the curtain on something you probably see every single day, but maybe don't really see, a simple product page on a site like Amazon.
So let's just dive right in. We're looking at a page for a digital gift card. Seems simple enough, right? But what's actually going on here? Turns out there's a whole world of psychology and design hiding in plain sight.
So here's our mission for this explainer. We're going to decode the machine. We are going to take this page apart, piece by piece, to really understand the thinking that goes into every single click you make. Let's start right where everybody does, with the art of this sale. This is all about that first glance. Everything above the fold that's designed to get you to hit that buy button, like immediately. When you really boil it down, you see 4 critical things right away. The product title is super precise. $250 PlayStation Store gift card digital code. Leaves no room for confusion. Then the platform compatibility is right there, answering your first big question. And this is a big one, the seller, sold by Amazon. That's a massive trust signal. All of this is engineered to funnel you directly to that one single action, add to cart. It's just an incredibly efficient machine.
And then, tucked away in the description, you get this little emotional hook. Everything you want to play. All of a sudden, it's not just a $250 gift card, it's a promise of endless fun. And that's the real product they're selling you, all in just 5 words. So, what does everything really mean? Well, the page doesn't make you guess, it immediately backs up that big promise with very specific things. Games, add-ons, memberships, virtual currency. See how they do that? They turn a kind of vague slogan into a concrete list of stuff you actually want. It just makes the purchase feel that much more worth it.
Okay, so you're interested, but are you confident enough to actually buy it? That brings us to our next section, data, trust, and rules. This is all about the fine print that's designed to make you feel totally secure with your purchase. And one of the most powerful tricks they use is right here. This little number 1. This product is the #1 bestseller in its category. This is social proof in its purest form. It's whispering in your ear, hey, look, tons of other people bought this and they were happy. It's such a powerful psychological nudge.
And that social proof, it doesn't stop there. It's not just #1 in its little niche. It's #2 in all video games on the entire site, and #3 in all PlayStation games and accessories. This isn't just a popular item. It's a completely dominant one. And all this data is just there to erase any tiny little doubt you might still have.
Now, what about your money? Amazon puts this secure transaction badge right there. But what's that really mean? Well, it means they use encryption. They promise not to share your card info with other sellers. And they say they don't sell your data. Every single part of that promise is language that's carefully chosen to calm our biggest fears about shopping online.
I love this part. Here you can see the whole deal laid out perfectly. On one side, you have your power. You can redeem it for almost anything. On the other side, you have the rules. Non-returnable, US only, you gotta be 18 plus. By making the terms this clear and simple, they suddenly feel a lot less scary, don't they?
All right, you did it. You made the purchase. The money's gone through. But the page's job isn't done yet. Let's move on to what happens next, actually using your digital purchase. You know, think about what happens after you buy something. A lot of the time, you're kind of left on your own. But here, the page keeps providing value. It gives you 3 dead simple steps to redeem your code. Sign in, find redeem code, type in the number. It seems obvious, but by doing this, Amazon is cutting down on your frustration, reducing customer service calls, and just making sure your whole experience is smooth from start to finish. So far, we've been really zoomed in on this one page. But to really get it, we need to pull the camera back and look at the whole Amazon ecosystem, the bigger picture. Because this page isn't an island. It's a tiny little storefront in a global mega mall.
And this is where it gets absolutely mind-boggling. This list is pulled right from the footer of the page. This one little gift card is part of the same corporate machine as AWS, Audible, Whole Foods, IMDb, Ring. You get the idea. It's just a reminder that every single transaction, every click, is feeding into this unimaginably huge and interconnected commercial empire. Which really just leaves us with one final question. We've taken this page apart, from the sales pitch to the legal fine print to the giant corporation behind it. So the next time you're shopping online, what are you going to see? Will you just see a product? Or will you see the intricate, invisible machine that was designed just for you?